Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, last night I did a tutorial and I posted it on how to crochet this top down. And while I was crocheting, I didn't really like, I really didn't like how I was doing the increases. So what I'm going to do is, instead of crocheting these extra steps, I am going to just make 4 single crochets and then crochet the stitch. So I'm going to be canceling I think 2 rows, and then it will not look like this. So you can try it if you want, but there's always a better way to go with this. And this is a whip, like it's a work in process, and I am trying to figure out how to make this better. I did receive a comment from Creations, I believe. Yeah, you are right. Well, last night I was working on it and I noticed this morning when I woke up, I didn't like it. So, like I said, this is in a working process and I'm designing this top. Creative. Yeah, creative. So, yeah, thank you for your feedback. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to rip this all the way right here. And then instead of making these extra steps, I think this should be a better way. I guess this is what you're mentioning, right? It says the stitch pattern is very pretty, the struggling to create. Yeah, well, you need to struggle because I'm designing this. I'm working on it as I'm doing the tutorial. And most of my tutorials are like this. Like, I do not work it on and then come back to show it to you because I don't have the time to do that. I just do it a lot. Like when I'm working on it, I do my tapings. So yeah, it is a struggle. It's not easy when you're trying to create something. You rip it off and you go over and over. So this is one of the ones that I was trying to work with it due to the stitch. But I really don't like this look when you wear it. It's not going to look nice. So I'm just going to rip it. Nothing to worry. It's better than before I went down, right? So I am going to fix this and I will come back to show you the better way to do it. And yeah, I do trust my math because I've been knitting and crocheting for 42 years and I had no problem so far. And I do sell my handmade items, so therefore creative. I have no problem at all with my math. Because the more you make it, the better you become, right? That's the thing. The more you knit, the more you crochet, the better you will become. And yeah, just wanted to point that out. So I will come and fix this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just coming where we start the next row. So I'm getting rid of these 2 double crochets. I'm not going to put those extras there. Okay, so this is how we're going to be continuing. Just going to grab my crochet hook. Okay, it's a 2.5 crochet hook. Okay, I will put the link how to crochet this stitch, and all the yarn information is in that tutorial because I don't want to go over it. It takes time. Okay, so here what we're going to do is we're going to make an extra stitch here somewhere, so it will look way better. Okay, so right here on the next I am going to make the stitch, but I'm going to make it in one. Unfortunately, I have to do that. Other than that, so I just continue crocheting the stitch. 3, 4, and then pull the 4, pull the 2, chain 1, and then make a popcorn here, a puff stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I try to make it as tight, don't want it loose, and then I chain 2, And then now we're going to start the way we do the pattern. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then we pull the 4 loops. And like I said, the link, if you go to that link, you can see there's a tutorial on how to crochet the stitch that detailed. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to continue crocheting, and when I come here, I will show you how to do it, both sides, how to do the increase. And this way it would look way better, and the increases would be looking way better. I just didn't think about it. I don't know why. Maybe I was tired. You know, your brain sometimes doesn't work. And, well, when I woke up, I noticed it wasn't looking right. Okay, so I'll be right back, and I will show you the next increase. Okay, so I'm at the next increased area. I did my stitch here, so I am going to, as you can see, there's 1, 2 stitches between, so I'm going to use those up and to create the stitch. So I'm going to make 2, 2, and then I'll go to the next one, you know, just to use them up while they're there. Why not, right? I pull and I pull and I pull. So this way I am just making extra stitches instead of, you know, making double crochets. And this way, 3, 4, and this way it will look way better. 1, 2, and then I just come here, and then I make my double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, and then I automatically go here, and I will use up those 2 stitches again to create the stitch. 2 single crochets, 3, and then 4, and then I pull the 4 loops, 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so doesn't this look way better? I think it does. You know, sometimes we make mistakes and we fix them. Okay, so like I said, you can design your own top down. It doesn't have to be this stitch. It can be any other stitches. You just need to play around with it. You know, we all make mistakes, and then we come back and fix them. Okay, so this is all to it. I just wanted to come back and show you how to do the increase. And on this row, the next row, we're going to do single crochets. And the next row, we do the stitch. Mountain pearl, what did I call it? Mountaintop pearl on a mountaintop. Well, that's what I see, and everyone can name it differently. I did get a comment, Lulu, was it Lulu? The Hawaii Lulu. Someone named it in the comments. I just read them. I couldn't reply back because I am very busy at this time, but I will come back and comment, reply back to the comments. I usually do if I don't miss. So this is all to it, and just continue crocheting your increases. Okay, so I will crochet the length that I need to, and then I will come back to show you how to divide the body parts. Other than that, it's gonna look fantastic. I really like this. Well, talk to you later. Take care.